What's going on, everyone? This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. And today I just want to talk to you about the Capital One Spark Cash Select card. Now, just like the previous video where I talked about another credit card that I have for business, this is another one that I use primarily for my business. And this particular one is the one with the 1.5% cash back along with the sign up bonus, as opposed to the others, which either have a different bonus or a none or a cashback of 2%. So without further ado, let me just get right into it. I will give you a description of all of the benefits of the card, the process I went through to apply, and just my overall opinion on its use. If you haven't already, please give this a like, comment, subscribe, and I look forward to making more content like this. So let's just dive right into it. So one of the key aspects about the credit card is its 1.5% unlimited cash back. The $500 you get when you spend $4,500 within the first 3 months of opening it, and the zero annual fee. In addition, this card has the typical automatic payments, 0% fraud liability, which I feel is very key because you do not want to have to pay as a result of some fraudulent activity on your account. Year-end summaries, the option of account managers, purchase records, and virtual card numbers. This also has 0 foreign transaction fees, and you can add additional employee cards. With that being said, let me get into the drawbacks I feel about this credit card. So I attempted to search about information in regards to the introductory APR period, and apparently they do not have that if you have excellent credit. So to confirm this, I went on the phone with a Capital One representative, and they pretty much stated to me that if your credit level's in the good range, then you would receive that 0% introductory APR for the first 12 months. Whereas if you have excellent credit, you would not receive the 0% introductory APR and only be offered the bonus. And if we're being honest, the cash bonus is a bit underwhelming, only because you have to spend $4,500 within 3 months, which is a bit unrealistic if we're talking about a lot of small business owners. Since it doesn't have that 0% introductory rate, you will automatically experience that variable APR based on your credit worthiness and receive interest fees if you don't pay it off your statement balance before the end of the next billing cycle. So for those of you that carry balances, which I do not recommend, you want to keep that in mind. The last thing I want to add that I feel like is a drawback as well is the fact that it reports to both your personal credit bureau and your business bureau as well. So upon being approved and it being reported to your credit bureau, you will see that is added in addition to your overall credit limit. All right, so let's just get to the process of actually applying. So what you're going to see here is the email address, the legal business name information, the name that you want as it appears on your card, the address, we have the zip code, city, state, and phone number. In addition, you have the sole prop. I chose single member LLC because I am a single member LLC, but you could choose other if none of these options fit, or sole prop for many of you are sole prop. Make sure you have your EIN, although you do not need an EIN if you don't have it. Has the length of time that you've had your business along with the industry that you're in, and just try to find the one that most closely resembles the industry that you're in. After you've cleared that portion, you also add your revenue. You want to make sure they use all of this to gauge it, so be as accurate as possible, but give the rough estimation if it's been less than a year since you've actually started your business. All of this information is crucial to accurately filling out the application. Your personal information is extremely key. When I did my information and went through my process, they actually went to call me just to confirm everything, and that's when I was approved. Then you just go through, review all information. You will then continue. Obviously, I don't have the information to complete the application, but at that point, you will review all of your information, submit, and wait for approval. So overall, I think the Capital One Spark Cash Select is a solid business credit card with no annual fee, has a decent sign-up bonus if you're able to reach it, and a 1.5% cashback on all purchases. Of course, there are other competitors with possibly better benefits depending on what your personal needs are, but this is a great credit card to start out building your profile. If you have any questions about the process to apply or any questions related to any of the benefits that you're not sure about, feel free to comment below and I'll do my best to answer any questions. And as always, I appreciate the support. If you enjoy this content, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. And this is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. Peace, love, and blessings. Be safe out here.
Our own mind has to be changed. We have to change our mind about ourselves.
But this world is such a gimme. Everybody back off. You know, everybody's like taught that from school.
I don't come to bow, you know. I come to conquer.